Hi guys, this is Atif and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas on stocks, forex and cryptocurrencies and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Today I brought a short-term and very good profit potential trade of SONM or SNM coin with Bitcoin pair. And first I'm taking you to the live chart, SNM, BTC, and this would be the Binance chart. Binance has largest volume of almost every cryptocurrency. Therefore, I always suggest my followers to create the account on Binance. If you don't have the account on Binance, I am sharing the link in the video's description. You can find the Binance link from there, and after clicking on that link, you will be on Binance site and you can create your account there. And this is the live chart of SNM Bitcoin, and this would be the day chart. And this is day chart of SNM Bitcoin. Now you can see more clear. And now on this chart you can see the price action has formed a Gartley pattern on this day chart. This is X to A leg, and as you know, the A to B leg should be between 0.618 to 786 Fibonacci, and this leg is retraced almost up to 0.761 Fibonacci, and after that the B to C leg should be retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci, and in this case the price action is retraced almost up to 0.761 Fibonacci, and the C to D, the final leg, should be retraced between 0.618 to 786 Fibonacci, and we can see that the price action is retraced almost between 0.618 to 786 Fibonacci. So far it is retraced up to 0.636 Fibonacci. So this leg can be extended up to 0.786 Fibonacci, almost up to here. Now if I place the moving averages, the simple moving averages, one will be the 100 moving average, and this is the 100 moving average. I'm just making it more visible for you. And the second moving average will be 50 moving average. The time period of this moving average is 50. And you can see that we have a strong support of 100 moving average within the potential reversal zone and the 50 moving average below this potential reversal zone. And 50 moving average is moving up, and both moving averages can have a golden cross, and this golden cross can produce a huge bull thrust. And you can see here that the price action took the bullish divergence almost here on 17th, 18th or 19th of September and produced more than 289%, and after that the price action had some correction period, and after some correction period the price action took again the bullish divergence to form the B to C leg of this Gartley pattern and produced more than 104% profit. And now this is the third time the price action is in the correction mode, and after this mode it will take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone, and almost this is our potential reversal zone from 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. And after taking the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone, the price action can give us up to 61% profit. And if we place the volume profile on the complete pattern, this is a volume profile. I'm just selecting the fixed range of the volume profile and selecting the complete price action within the fixed range of the volume profile, then you can see that the trader's interest is very weak within the potential reversal zone. So this is another indication that the price action will take the bullish divergence from here. I have set my sell targets using Fibonacci sequence of A to D Fibonacci projection, and this is the A to D Fibonacci projection from 0.382 up to 786 Fibonacci. This should be our sell zone. And this potential reversal zone should be our stop loss point. If a complete candlestick will be closed below this potential reversal zone, then we should take exit from the trade. Or we can also make this 50 moving average as our stop loss point. Because if the price action will break down this potential reversal zone, then it can again take the bullish divergence by having bounce from this moving average. And in that case, the price action will form a bullish bad pattern. Because in bullish bad pattern, the price action can be retraced up to 0.886 Fibonacci. But this leg is not meeting the requirement of bullish bad pattern, because this leg should be not more than 0.50 Fibonacci. Therefore, I'm expecting that the price action will be bullish or will take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone according to Gartley pattern. Now let's move to the chart I've published few moments ago or a few hours ago, and you'll not face any problem in finding this chart, because this is the most popular chart and #1 popular chart on TradingView in all S&M Bitcoin charts, and you can find me among the most popular authors of S&M Bitcoin on TradingView. Now I'm just opening this chart, and I've published this chart on 1 day time period, and on this chart you can see this is my buying range and these are my sell targets. I have also mentioned these targets in the chart description. So this trade has the capacity to give more than 61% profit. And if you see on the coin market cap, this is the coin market cap data, then you can believe that the price action can take the bullish divergence again, because if I'll take you to the S&M coin data, and this is the S&M coin, and if we see the historical data of S&M coin, then we can see that up to 17 September, the trade volume of S&M coin was not more than $500,000 or less than $500,000. And if you see the trade volume now, then you can see the last 24-hour trade volume is more than $5.2 million. So it's mean the trade volume of S&M coin is increased more than 900%. People are trading this coin a lot. So this trade is really very strong. This chart is really very strong. So the price action has very strong chances to take the third bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone. I'm also sharing the Tradingview's link in the video's description. You just need to click on that link to find my charts, and when you will be on the Tradingview, you just need to select the people option from this drop down list, and this is the people option. And after selecting the people option, you just need to write in search box moon333, which is my username, and you'll find my link. And after clicking on my link, my page will be open, and from here you can follow any of my chart. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. If you like the video, then do hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.